everyone, welcome back to Roshnara's World. So guys, today's video we will be discussing about how to apply from any company's official website directly from their career pages or job pages. So today for IBM we will discuss. So this is the career page link. So here you can see the latest updated jobs which are open. Lot of profiles are there, lot of locations availability is there. So you can choose among the best suitable profile for you. So here you can see various filters. So if you want to see only the remote jobs, then you can filter out only remote jobs, which is approximately 1200 jobs are available, and which kind of team you are looking for, that also you can check out here. If I write infrastructure and technology, so you will be able to see, I mean, software engineer, and then application architect, lot of other application developer. Now you can also filter out various locations. So let's say I am searching out for India, which is for work from home, because there are only 7 jobs in India based out of. So you can just untick this if you don't want a remote only, but yes, there are now 200 jobs available. So let's take an example, front-end developer. So you can click here, and experience level is also mentioned here. If you want an entry-level job, still 20 jobs are applicable. You can search here, and then these are for entry-level jobs. We were discussing for front-end developer. Let's say for example, here you can apply directly, and now it is a full-time role. Everything is mentioned here as a key job role, and yes, the required expertise and your requirements and experiences is also mentioned. Preferred technical knowledge and expertise is also mentioned. So you can do this is for the 6 years, 7 years, because we did not filter, and right now we have filtered for this entry level. So again, if I click on DevOps developer, so this is for an entry level job. So in this profile, let's discuss. You can see here, this is entry level, which means it is also for experience, but yes, 2 to 5 years of experience, and minimum 3 years of experience in DevOps. So yes, you can check out, you can create your own profile, click on apply here, apply now, and just fill up the entire form before you apply, and then upload your resume and everything, and then you can apply. So this is how you can apply for. So this is, I have told you, for IBM. Now similarly, you can go for other company ka career options and career links and job links accordingly, and find out jobs for you, yourself, the suitable profile, because this kind of activity is more very very impactful, because this is directly from the company's web page. So I hope you have understood. Do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.